Chapter 4, Mesopotamia Test. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. Mesopotamia means the land without rivers, the land between the two rivers, or messy pots. Number 2. What did the Sumerian scribes write on? Notebook paper, clay tablets, or chalkboards? Number 3. The Sumerians were the first people to use these made from wood circles clamped together, and they were used on carts and chariots. Clay tablets, steles, or wheels. Number 4. He believed in an eye for an eye, sense of justice or laws. Assyria, Hammurabi, or King Tut? Number 5. A group of merchants traveling together for safety, usually with a large number of camels. Caravan, astronomer, or dodge? Number 6. The region of Mesopotamia was part of a larger area of land known as crescent rolls, fertile land, or fertile crescent. Number 7. The two life-giving rivers of Mesopotamia, Tiger and Euphrates rivers, Tom's River and Nile River, or Tigris and Euphrates River? Number 8. Small particles of soil, silt, tundra, or none of the above? Number 9. They dug canals that let water flow from a water source to their fields, bringing water from one place to another. Showering, irrigation, or surplus? Number 10. An extra amount of food, surplus, duplex, or none of the above? Number 11. The first civilization in Mesopotamia, Sumer, Babylon, or Greece? Number 12. The belief in many gods, polytheism, theology, or none of the above? Number 13. People grouped by wealth, education, or jobs. Social students, social classes, or outcast? Number 14. Writing developed by Sumerians, Latin, 12 tables, or cuneiform? Number 15. Official writers or record keepers in Sumer, texter, scribe, or writer? Number 16. A long poem that tells the story of a hero, epic, era, or tablet? Number 17. A group of many different lands under one ruler, town, empire, or none of the above? Number 18, a set of written laws, text, code, or none of the above? Number 19, a king who had a code written on a pillar for all the people of Babylon to see. Hammurabi, Sargon, or Tut? And number 20, the Assyrians came to power about 1,000 years after this empire fell. Argons, Babylonians, or Egyptians?